Okay. Okay. So.
Don't press, huh?
Okay. We're here at the snake farm, Weligama. Holding a. What snake is this? Do you know? The name of this species? Forgot. Wait, I'll zoom.
Sorry, sir?
It's weird sensation.
His name is rock python. Python.
It's a python.
Not poisonous.
It's not poisonous? No. Like never? Like.
Never bite.
Yeah.
This is a young. 7 years old.
7 years old. It's a young one.
He's very fake man.
Fake man, yeah, I think so.
It's money.
Yeah, but that's the problem with tuk-tuks. Yeah. Okay, so little update. Yeah, I'm coming. 1 minute. Last video I said I was going to India, but actually I got issues with my visa, so I'm kind of stuck on this beautiful island of Sri Lanka, on the south coast. So this place is the snake farm. I'll be asking a few questions. He's apparently, I think he grew up on this farm. Let me ask him. Let's go here.
You take
oh,
green wine snake. You can also.
Okay, thank you. So you grew up on this farm? You. Yeah. Is it your father or is it a family thing?
Yeah,
this farm?
family.
Yeah, that's what I read.
My grandpapa, my father.
Ah, yeah, okay, I see.
It's cobra biting my finger. 5 years ago.
What is this?
Cobra.
Cobra.
This is sometimes people call them going to catch in snake. Yeah. Maximum 2 months release to jungle. Not long time here. Rescues. You understand? Rescues. Not long time.
Yeah. You rescue the cobra.
Yeah. Sometimes injury snake. Yeah. Medicine release. Not long time here living. Maximum 2 months.
Okay. Maximum, you have to keep them maximum 2 months, the cobra.
It's everywhere people call, going to catch in rice field, tea plantation. You're from, sir?
I'm from France.
France, yeah. This name is green wine snake, on the tree snake.
Green wine
snake. Wine.
Green wine snake.
On the tree.
Yeah. Is it only found in Sri Lanka or?
Sri Lanka, yeah. Sri Lanka, sir, 72 family different type of snakes.
Yeah, that's what I read. And so apparently there's 72 types of snakes, but only 7 are venomous.
7 venomous, deadly poison, 5 family.
Deadly poison is 5. Okay. Yeah. How many are there? Like 3?
3.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
I have big one, next one maybe.
Okay. Oh wow. So we have some kind of family tree, I guess. Interesting. So yeah, a lot of people, they think that snakes are dangerous, so they just kill them, you know. But sometimes when people hear of places like this, they call them, and it's an animal rescue kind of place, you know. This one is green wine as well?
Green wine snake bigger.
Yeah, it's
big one.
Older maybe?
Yeah, maximum size.
That's the maximum size, okay. Wow.
It's okay.
Very loud this sound. The 2 cobras here?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, you give them eggs. I see there's an egg here. Yeah. And why is there coconut fiber? Like they eat
This
that?
no, eating this one change in skin supports.
Ah, it's a support when they're changing the skin. Oh, there's two here.
Yeah, two.
You can see two heads. Okay. Wow. This one is the biggest,
Bigger
yeah?
python, yeah.
Yeah.
Open.
I don't want to wake him up. I don't know. Is it sleeping?
Sleeping, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't
It's
want to wake them up.
Catch.
What?
1 week ago catch. Next week release.
And you release him next week?
Next week, yeah.
Okay. So it's almost ready to go in the wild. Really?
Open.
Okay.
Open mouth. Ah. Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's like alcohol.
No, not alcohol. More cinnamon. More cinnamon.
Mm. It's very like fermented.
Yes, it's energy.
It tastes kind of like alcohol, but yeah, it's not alcohol.
It's a more cinnamon, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a before breakfast, before dinner.
Before breakfast and before dinner. Okay. It's an energy drink to give you energy. Okay.
This one ointment very painful bone, muscles, joint.
Okay.
1915.
Since 1915, yeah. Interesting, yeah. Okay. So you told me there are buses coming
Yes, bus
down
stop.
here? Yeah.
Close this
We'll
one.
take a bus because
75 rupees welcome.
75 rupees, yeah. It's okay. Okay, thank you.
Bye to you.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you. Okay, it's a cool place. I didn't know it would be 3,000. I was surprised, like, is it free or do we give donations? It was such... oh my god, the tuk-tuk drivers in this country, they need to work something out. Okay, I'll be waiting for the bus there. I'm not gonna order a tuk-tuk. I'm done with tuk-tuk for today's. He annoyed me so much, the tuk-tuk who took me here. There was an issue with the app, so I could, like the Pick Me app, which is the local Uber app. The guy asked for more cash. He wanted more than what was on the app. So I said no, I canceled, blah blah. And another tuk-tuk pulled over in front of my hotel and said, okay sir, I take you. Same price, okay, same price, but the location was not right. He took me to the wrong place, so then he asked more to take me to the right place. So I had to argue with him. In the end, I gave him the price that was on the app. Like I showed him, that's the price on the app, blah blah blah. But it's a shame because sometimes I tip these guys, like if they're nice and honest, and I give them a little tip, like not much. But if they're playing it this way, like no sir, you give me more, blah blah blah, if they're doing their scam, well, obviously they're not gonna get more. Anyway, something you gotta be aware of in this country, the tuk-tuks, it's insane. So the guy at the snake farm told me there would be a bus here. Let's wait. I think I'll end the video here. So I was always saying I'm not in India yet. The visa application for India is insanely complicated for tourists. I don't know why. But yeah, maybe next video I'll see you. I'll be in India maybe sometime soon. Take care.